This is a review of the FANOVAE Pickleball Paddles Set that I'll be doing a review about. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing this and showing you guys what you get from the package and pretty much show you guys how durable these pickleball paddle sets are. So without going any further, let's unbox this and we'll get right into this video and show you guys these picket paddle sets. So right from here, we open it up and you can see it has a beautiful elastic pretty much to put a storage in. And I love the packaging. It's very, really high quality. And we're going to take all this out and show you guys the picket sets. So right from here, we got it out from the package and these are the picket sets. And you can see here that they are extremely durable and high quality. And you can see that it has a beautiful, I love how the black looks like, and on the back side of it, it gives the brand, and it looks very high quality. It feels very nice, and it has it feels very a good quality. Like, it feels very durable, and it's not like the plastic version. It feels very like a good, durable. Pretty much, it gives a good feeling when you hold it and you use it. And then you can see it comes with 4 sets of picket sets of balls that it comes right here that are green. So you have like 4 of them, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right there. And then we also get this stuff as well too to pretty much put it around the tennis racket itself. It comes with 2 of them, 2 sets of them, one right here and one right there. And also, like I mentioned, also it comes with this right over here too, the storage to pretty much to store your picket sets whenever you're done. And I love the fact that it comes with a plastic piece that right over here, the storage elastic that it comes. So pretty much you could use this, for example, and like if you want, you could like store each one of these these green of the balls, and then right from here you put this one right here and that right there. So I like the fact that you could you could use this as a storage unit too as well too, and to store your, whenever you're done playing, then you could put all of the equipment back. And also the storage itself is a big size, so when you open it up, you can see how the size inside is very large too. So it fits very well. It's not like the quantity is very huge. So I would definitely recommend these picket sets from FANOVAE if you are looking for a good quality picket sets. Then these ones are probably one of the best ones, and I would highly recommend them because of how they're extremely high quality. And it comes with 4 of them, and it comes to a set of 2, so 2 people could use it and play with it. And I myself enjoy using them as well too. So I would definitely recommend the FANOVAE picket sets if you're looking for a good tennis racket. Then these are probably one of the best ones you could get.